Nio, the trailblazing Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, has introduced the EL8 electric SUV to the European market, marking a significant milestone in the brand's global expansion strategy. As Europe's version of the acclaimed 6-seat ES8 from China, the Nio EL8 combines cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and sustainable mobility to redefine the electric SUV experience for European drivers. The Nio EL8 makes a striking first impression with its bold and distinctive design language, emphasizing sleek lines, a sculpted silhouette, and aerodynamic efficiency. The EL8 exudes a modern and sophisticated aesthetic that reflects Nio's commitment to automotive innovation and design excellence. LED lighting elements, a prominent grille, and dynamic proportions contribute to its commanding presence on European roads. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Nio EL8 boasts a state-of-the-art electric powertrain designed to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. Equipped with dual electric motors, one powering each axle, the EL8 offers robust all-wheel drive capabilities, ensuring responsive acceleration and superior handling in various driving conditions. With a focus on sustainability, Nio has engineered the EL8 to maximize range while minimizing environmental impact, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers. Inside the cabin, the Nio EL8 elevates the driving experience with a luxurious and technologically advanced interior. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and customizable options create a refined and comfortable environment for occupants. A panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of spaciousness, while advanced connectivity features, including a high-definition touchscreen infotainment system and voice-activated controls, keep drivers seamlessly connected on the go. Safety is paramount in the Nio EL8, which incorporates a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems and advanced safety technologies. From adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance to autonomous emergency braking and surround view cameras, the EL8 offers peace of mind and confidence for both short city drives and long-distance journeys across Europe's diverse landscapes. As Nio expands its presence in Europe, the EL8 exemplifies the brand's dedication to delivering premium electric vehicles that blend performance, luxury, and sustainability. With its innovative approach to design, engineering, and user experience, the EL8 sets a new standard for electric SUVs in Europe, appealing to discerning drivers seeking a combination of style, technology, and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the Nio EL8 electric SUV represents a significant step forward for Nio in its mission to redefine mobility through electric innovation. By bringing the acclaimed ES8 platform to European shores, Nio continues to push boundaries and inspire the future of automotive technology, offering European drivers an unparalleled electric driving experience that marries performance with sustainability.